Alrighty. So, what's up, guys? In today's video, I'll be showing you the basics of Roblox scripting. This is coming from someone who has been learning Roblox for quite some time now. So, in today's video, we are going to make a pretty simple thing. I think I'm just going to help you guys make the kill brick. So, let's make a script. If you've never used Roblox Studio, this is not the tutorial for you. This is for scripting. I will make a tutorial on the layout of Roblox Studio in the future. But if you haven't used Roblox Studio, I recommend you just explore the layout, and if I have a tutorial up my channel, you can watch that, and it'll go in depth on each of these tabs and what all the buttons do. But besides that, let's get into it. Alright, so make a script, and let's go. So I'm going to explain this concept to you if you do not know what a variable is. So you can see right here, we've got a variable, okay? This thing right here. This lets me put something like, so this is referencing the script right here. Local part. Now, when I type part, whatever's on this side is what this is talking about. So I don't have to go and write script.Parent to access this. So I can just write part now. Now, you might be wondering, what does this even do? What does this even mean right now? Well, this part is the script that you wrote. So it's just talking to the script right here in your Explorer tab. But the parent of it is whatever is inside of this, like whatever the script's inside of. So the part we placed earlier, we placed the script into that. So that's parent. So now what we do is touched. You'll see this touch thing right here, okay? This is what we call an event. Now, part.Touched, changed, touch ended, child added are all good examples of events, but we're going to be focusing on a kill brick in today's video. So, let's get to that. You'll see this next thing, connect. All this does is basically let me connect a function, which if you don't know, a function is basically just a list of instructions to follow after something happens. So I want you to go ahead and copy this. Now, after you've done that, let me give you a little quick explanation. So right here, we have the part, this thing right here. It's referencing that. Now, when something touches the part, it connects the function. It activates the function, okay? Which a function could be changing the color, changing the size, moving the part, and all sorts of different things. But for this, we're going to make it kill the player. So here's what's going to happen. I want you to add a hit inside this little thing right here. Once you did that, do if hit dot parent WaitForChild Humanoid then hit.Parent Humanoid equals 0. Alright, so what all this does is say, hey, player, if I'm touching the player, so if the part, which is the hit, well, the hit equals humanoid, which is player, okay? It's player. Then set player's health to 0. Now I'm gonna go ahead and make this a glowing red part. Let's go ahead and give it a neon texture. So it's glowing like that. Now, if I walk over to the part and touch it, kills me. So that's our tutorial on how to make it. But I'm going to do a quick in-depth explanation of how the code works so you can understand everything going on for the people that want to know that, because I know some people like that. Alright, so right here is the part. I already explained how that's working. Now, .touched is an event that, also, by the way, this is a cool little thing. If you ever hover over anything like this, like, here, let me just, part.Touched, you can write something out and you'll see open document. This will actually open up to the Roblox forums and tell you the exact definition and what the event does or what something does. So yeah, that's actually a pretty good thing to know. But .Touched fires when a part touches another part as a result of physical movement, as it says up here. So that's pretty explanatory. Then connect, all it does is connect this to a function. Okay, a function is a list of instructions for a part or something in the script to do. The hit is what the part is touching. You know, it's like as it hit it. Okay, now we check if hit, or what's touching the part. Now parent, remember what's in, like that's what is inside of it, is humanoid. Humanoid is basically just the player, okay? Like here, let me, I'll use this as an example, but let's go over to avatar. Not avatar settings, character, avatar. When we go in here, you'll see this thing on my Explorer tab. It will say humanoid. That basically has the player's name, its health, its like rig type, and like everything. It's like if it's jumping, if it's sitting, and all that good stuff. So that's what that does. Okay, so it's humanoid. Basically just all the data of its health and stuff. Then if it is, set humanoid health to 0 or equal to 0. So that's pretty good. You don't even have to actually, if you don't want it to instantly die, you can change it to minus equals 10 health or maybe even 1 HP. So like let's watch this now. When I go on it, you'll see my health slowly lows and stuff it. Same with here, I will stop the game and I'm going to duplicate it. And the only reason this works while it's duplicated is because we are using a script.Parent to do the action. But if I were to go over here and do workspace.part, that wouldn't work. So you have to be referencing script.Parent. Now I can actually do plus 1 HP. So when I go over here, you know, what's my glitching? Oh, I think I flipped the thing. I put it in the wrong script. You have to make sure you open up your second script and change your second script and not your first script. But now that I've done that and fixed the code, see, that's a good example of making a small mistake. You'll see you lose HP. Now when you go over to the green one and stand on the green one, it heals you. So this is a good way you can make a simple obby or something where you can lose HP and then jump on a healing pad to get your HP back. So yeah, that's going to be it for today's tutorial. I hope you enjoyed, and stay tuned for the next one. Bye!